And we're back. We're going to start reading our book here, TV, Yes or No, by Lynn Pacau. Introduction. May I watch TV, Mom? You watched two shows before school this morning. That's enough television for today. When you discuss something with someone, you may not agree with each other. Have you had this discussion at home? Should there be a limit on watching TV? Let's think about it. Arguments for watching TV. Proponents, that means someone who is pro TV or somebody who says, yes, you should watch TV. Proponents of television viewing argue that TV programs provide benefits. Interesting TV shows can give you something to talk about with your friends. Your television can show you places where people look and speak differently than you. Like travel shows about different parts of the world can be a good way to learn about other cultures. You can learn from the ways television characters create and solve problems. Special channels can teach us about history, science, and government. They can also help us plan our day. Let's check the Weather Channel before we plan our picnic. Some families watch TV together. They discuss what they see. Watching news shows informs us about world events, local events, and sports teams. Concerts can entertain us, and cooking demonstrations can introduce us to new foods. Comedy shows can make us laugh, and they feel happy. Television shows can entertain people who are in hospitals and nursing homes. Laughter is good for everyone. Some scientists say laughing can make you healthier. So that whole first part is all about arguments for watching TV. So I'm just going to do a quick recap before we go to the next one, because I want you to just thinking about these reasons why you should watch it, just according to this piece. So, it gives you things to talk about. You can enjoy more company with friends that way. You can learn about new things, especially different places and different cultures. You can learn really good lessons from television show characters, like how to solve problems, fix things. You can also learn things from like science channels, or like about the government, or from just things about the weather. And then it just gives you like time together as a family, enjoying watching a show together, or watching some kind of sport, something like some kind of different kind of sports game, or watching like a concert on TV, or like comedies, like really funny shows that can really make people feel better. Then the next section though is arguments against watching TV. Opponents, so that's somebody who's against it. Opponents of television viewing think that it is harmful. They argue that TV shows can sometimes make us feel sad or scared. Some TV characters can be poor role models, sharing harmful or unhealthy habits. Some shows and commercials can make us hungry for unhealthy foods. Advertisements on television can make us want things we don't need. Many of us sit most of the day at school or at work, then are tempted to sit more and watch TV. Watching TV shows can keep people from getting a healthy amount of exercise. Some opponents say watching TV keeps kids and adults indoors too much. Watching television doesn't require people to use their imaginations like books and games do. You decide. There's a lot to think about before you grab the remote. What is your opinion about watching TV? Share what you think by writing an opinion paper, which you're going to be doing next on your Oreo sheet. I'm just going to go back through the arguments against. So opponents say, sometimes it can make us feel sad or scared. Sometimes it's poor role models, especially by making bad food choices. Advertisements, I should say that, that's like a commercial. Can sometimes make us want things we don't really need. Sometimes we just sit too long, we don't get outside enough. It doesn't require that same kind of imagination. So what you're going to be doing now is just thinking about your Oreo sheet. What is your opinion about this? You can go ahead now and write your own opinion. Just remember, the first part is, in my opinion. In my opinion, you say, like, in my opinion, I think people should watch TV, or in my opinion, I think people shouldn't watch TV. Then you give your first reason. The first reason is, or my first reason is, then you give some examples about it right there, like just explain it. Then my second reason is, or the second reason is. then you give another example here, or should you just explain more of that reason. Then you restate your opinion of really what you think. So in conclusion, or therefore. Now you can either start writing your oral opinion piece here, or you can come back and watch the next watch the next video and see my oral opinion sheet. So you can either just stop here and write your own, then come back and watch mine to see what my opinion was, or you can watch the last video part to see what my opinion is to help you with your own writing. You get to choose. Okay, bye.